Before we begin, protect your calls, texts, and data with NordVPN. Links in the description. Keep your mobile usage secure no matter where you're connected. Try to pick between US Mobile and Visible. Both offer low-cost unlimited data on major networks, but they serve different needs. Let's break down which may work for you. US Mobile is a flexible MVNO using T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T networks, dubbed the Super Carrier. Plans range from a basic 2 GB light plan at $8 a month to custom or unlimited tiers starting at $17.50 for Flex, $25 for Starter. Key features include hotspot access, international calling/data add-ons, multi-network switching, teleports, and transparent pricing with no extra fees. Visible is Verizon-owned and offers all digital unlimited plans. Basic at $25, Visible Plus at $30, and 5 GB a day hotspot, priority data, and global roaming add-ons. It runs exclusively on Verizon's network with eSIM/full app-based management, no physical stores. Visible Plus also supports smartwatch lines and daily roaming/data passes. Reddit users note US Mobile offers better value for light users, network flexibility, and stronger customer support. For example, US Mobile support is better. I prefer the features of the Visible Plus plan and native roaming, which USM does not offer on Verizon network. Visible gets praise for Verizon's super wide coverage and simpler app interface, though some say it lacks the flexibility of switching networks. I'd say choose US Mobile if you want affordable plans, hotspot data, seamless network switching, and customizable international options. And choose Visible if you prefer Verizon's coverage, plan simplicity, and priority data performance, especially under their Visible Plus option. Now, both cut costs versus traditional carriers, but it boils down to what matters most: flexibility versus simplicity.